Welcome to PW Music. I'm Dr. Patrick Engler, and today we're going to be talking about practicing with the metronome. So first off, if you're not practicing with the metronome, you should be, and if you are, good on you. But regardless of what you are or aren't doing, here are 3 things that you can think about to help take your metronome practice to the next level. Let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do when you're practicing with the metronome is make sure that you internalize the pulse before you start playing. I see a lot of students just click the metronome on and go without really thinking about and internalizing that pulse and making sure that they're starting right with the metronome and giving themselves the best chance of sticking with it as they play. Number 2 is you don't want to pick a tempo that's too fast for what you're trying to play and practice. So what's too fast? Too fast is if you're going in and you're making a bunch of mistakes and you can't get through whatever passage you're working on, that's too fast. An appropriate tempo is one where you can get through the passage you're practicing without mistakes, ideally, or a minimal amount of mistakes so that you can focus on getting as many good reps as possible. Our third and final tip is you want to make sure you're not practicing out of sync with the metronome. And really what this means is just listen and make sure that you're sticking with the metronome and you're keeping that rhythmic integrity throughout the passage that you're practicing. So these have been 3 tips of how to improve your practice with the metronome. If this helps you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more. Check out the Patreon, and we'll see you next time.